For the next 4 weeks of social studies, we are learning all about plant power. Today, we are learning about poisonous plants with this book by Mary Stu. Let's go! Chapter 1. Bad berries. Green leaves spread out in the shade. These leaves are part of a white baneberry plant. This plant has another name. What is it? Doe's eyes. Each white berry has a dark spot. These scary berries are poisonous. Shiny black berries grow on the deadly nightshade plant. They look juicy and tasty, but don't be tricked. They are also called the devil's berries or death cherries. With names like that, you have been warned. Poisonous plants use poison as a defense. Against what? Animals such as birds that try to eat the plant. Plants can have poison in their berries, leaves, stems, or roots. Plants such as the death camas have poison in all of their parts. Did you know a plant that is poisonous for one animal may not be harmful to another? Poison ivy can give people a rash, but it doesn't harm birds. Birds can even eat the plant's fruit. Chapter 2. Harmful plants. This plant is beautiful, but it is wise to enjoy the beauty from a distance. Why? The entire plant is poisonous, even the flowers and tiny seeds. This plant is the foxglove. It is also called bloody fingers and witch's gloves. It has bell-shaped blossoms. They are usually bright purple. They can be white, yellow, or pink too. Many private gardens host these beauties. Beware! Flame lilies warn visitors of their danger. Their bright leaves curl and bend like flames. All parts of this plant are poisonous. Bright colors warn predators that these plants are bad to eat. What is this unique plant? Its long floppy leaf folds over the flower. It forms a hood. If you see this plant growing in wet woodlands, don't get too close. It is a jack in a pulpit. All parts of this plant can cause harm. Under the soil, even more danger lurks. The plant's roots contain terrible poison. Did you know that poisonous plants can be deadly, but some can be used to make medicine? Chemicals in the poisonous rosy periwinkle plant are used to help fight diseases, for example. And then there's Jimson weed, which is one smelly plant. But that's not the only defense it has. Jagged leaves and hard spiny fruit are extra warnings. The message is clear: do not come near. Take a look here. All parts of the Jimson weed plant are poisonous, from the flowers, stem, leaves, fruit, even the seeds. Chapter 3. Toxic trees and shrubs. Mansional trees ooze with what? Poisonous sap. It seeps from the tree's bark, leaves, branches, and fruit. Think you would be safe standing under this toxic tree when it rains? Think again. Raindrops mix with the nasty sap. It can cause rashes, blisters, and itching too. This is the olander. Flowers bloom on the Olander Shrub. They are beautiful, but this is one of the most poisonous plants in the world. So look if you must, but don't touch. Many poisonous plants are colorful. Vivid colors are a telling sign. The plant is poisonous. Poison keeps these plants safe from predators of all kinds, but they are best seen, not touched. Did you know that olander poison is very strong? How strong? It has shown up in honey made by bees that visit the plant's flowers. Now let's go through some new words we learned in today's book. The first word is bloom, which is to produce flowers. Defense is a way to protect from harm or attack. Jagged means sharp and uneven. Poisonous is able to harm or kill with a harmful substance. Roots are the part of a plant or tree that grow under the ground and collect water and nutrients. Sap is a sticky fluid found inside plants and trees. Shrub is a plant or bush with woody stems that spread out near the ground. Stems are the main upward growing parts of a plant from which leaves and flowers grow. And toxic means poisonous. Now it's your turn. What did you learn in today's book about poisonous plants? Share with me down below. Also, what other poisonous plants do you know about that I haven't mentioned to you before? Take some time to think, and then when you're ready, I'll see you in the next class for some more learning fun. That's all for now. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.